Well, land of YouTube, I'm putting together a little video for you guys today. And what you do when your C8 Corvette is stored for the winter and you got nothing to do but sit here and look at it. So, it's winter out, I'm in Canada, So anyways, I figured, well, why not order some headers and, sport cats and do the world's first C8 Corvette header, cat install. Because everything on YouTube is the coupes. And let me tell you, it's a bitch working on the convertible. So right over here, I got some parts, got my airbox apart. I got a Attack Blue filter coming as well, because, why not? Other part of the engine over here, the cover there with the heat shield. Well, all the heat shields there that came out of the, engine. And let me tell you, that's another bitch that they don't really tell you about. They don't tell you what kind of a bitch this job is. So the convertible is a bigger bitch because, well, let's have a look here first. Let's open this up, tonneau cover. So you open up the tonneau cover, have a look inside here, and what do we got here? The engine cover is off, the cross members are off. There's a header cat back there. Again, header over here, cat back there. That's what you can see in the back. And it's a pain in the butt because you can't have the trunk and the tonneau cover open at the same time. It's one or the other. So you're going to be going back and forth like a monkey trying to get this done right. Plus, this thing here, this evaporator, or I don't know, whatever this line is here, that on the coupe is mounted to the crossbar. And that clips off. You can move it out of your way. You can't move it out of your way here. So taking the passenger side heat shields off is a bitch. This side is a bitch. You got to be a contortionist to get in there and to get all the bolts out. There's like 3 shields per side that they don't tell you. In the YouTube videos, they show you, you're pulling out one heat shield and wow, look at that. Oh, that was easy. Oh, you guys can do it. Yeah, whatever. So, hopefully getting at these bolts. The parts should be coming in within the next couple of days, and then get along with that. But anyway, so let's just close the tonneau cover here, because you got to close it, and then you got to pop the trunk, and that's how you work on the coupe or on the convertible. That is closed. Pop the trunk. Get the trunk open here. And you know what, while you're at it, while you got the airbox out, you might as well get 2 quarts of the DCT fluid and that little yellow screw there, 6mm hex or Allen key. Take that out and give yourself 2 quarts of fluid. And there's the back side of those cats. And the biggest pain in the ass here are all these Christmas tree connectors. There's a bunch of them. I don't know, 4 or 5, maybe up to 6. They are a bitch and a pain in the ass to get out. There's this stupid thing too that's mounted to the side of it, whatever that is. That's a pain in the ass to get out. And then when you got a high wing to work over, like me, I don't want to take my bumper off. So that's another pain in the ass to work over. So, you know what, guys? We'll see what happens when these cats come out and the headers come out. I'm not looking forward to those header bolts. Those header bolts to get underneath that heat shield that's integrated into the header or the manifold gasket. Oh man, not looking forward to that. So yeah, that's the 2020 C8 Corvette convertible, working on getting some noise out of it. That's what I'm concerned about. I want it louder. It's not loud enough. So while she's parked here in the, winter months, as you guys can see, it's wintry. Got the snowmobiles ready to go. Need more snow for that. But yeah. So we will we'll get at her. As they say, pitter patter. So we'll just end that video off here, and we'll see how things go. All right, YouTubers, I'll let you know how the rest of it goes. But it's you can do it, but let me just tell you, it's a pain in the butt. You got to be a contortionist to get at all those bolts for those heat shields, and the bolts that are you have to get at the header bolts or the head bolts, the gasket bolts for the manifold. The other bolts there for the cats. Not looking forward to it, but got a few months. So what else you got to do? Take it easy, and peace out.